you been doing since morning? Jia, I am trying to solve some problems on division. Well, can you just show me how you're carrying out the division? Yes, why not? If I have to divide a number like 474 by 3, I will draw two lines enclosing the dividend 474. Then I'll write the divisor 3 on the left. I'll start looking at the digits of the dividend from left to right. If a digit is less than 3, I would include the next digit 2 for division. Well, that's right. What next? Now, to start the division, I have to recall the multiplication table of 3. Now, the first digit of the dividend is 4 and 4 is greater than 3. So, I'll check how many 3's go in 4. 1, right? So, I'll write 1 above. And I have 3 into 1 equal to 3. So, I'll write 3 below 4. I will subtract the 3 from 4. So, I get 1. I will write this 1 below. I'll now bring the next digit, that is 7, down so that the next number to be divided is 17. Let me check how many 3's go in 17. It is 5. So I'll write this 5 above. Now 3 into 5 is equal to 15. I'll write 15 below 17. Next, I'll subtract 15 from 17. To get 2, let me write this 2 below. As usual, I'll bring the next digit, that is 4, down so that the next number to be divided is 24. Now, let me check how many 3's go in 24. It's 8 times. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Correct. Now, let me subtract 24 from 24. Well, I get a 0. And this finishes the division. I got the quotient as 158 and remainder as 0. Well done, Pasha. The method you followed is called the long method of division. Check the number of steps you used to solve this. But I can work this out in much shorter steps. You know a shortcut to perform this division? Please share it with me, Jia. Okay, this method is called the short method of division. We will use the same numbers to carry out the division. Like before, we will draw two lines enclosing the dividend 474. Then you write the divisor 3 on the left. Now start looking at the digits of the dividend from left to right. Recall the multiplication table of 3. Well, the first digit in the dividend is 4 and 4 is greater than 3. So, we'll check how many 3's go in 4. It is 1. So, we write this 1 above. Now, as usual, we subtract the 3 from 4. So we get 1. But remember, this subtraction has to be done mentally. We only write the remainder 1 to the left of the next digit, that is 7. Now, the next number to be divided becomes 17. We'll check how many 3's go in 17. It's 5. So we write 5 above. 5 times 3 is 15. Now, when we subtract 15 from 17, we get 2. So, we write the remainder 2 to the left of the next digit, that is 4. The next number to be divided becomes 24. We have to check how many 3's go in 24. It's 8. So we will write 8 above. Subtracting 24 from 24 gives 0. Therefore, the division is complete. We have the quotient as 158 and remainder as 0. Wasn't that easy? Yes, Tia. This method really cuts down the steps which we have in long division. You can even identify your mistakes quickly and save a lot of time writing. Thanks, Jia. Now let me finish these division problems quickly. We shall go to play after that. Sure, Pasha.